During the no contact period after a breakup, guys may experience a range of emotions. In the beginning, they may not think much of not hearing from you and might even feel relieved. However, after a few days, they may start to wonder why you're silent and become obsessed with trying to figure out what you're thinking. As time goes on, they may become anxious and confused, especially if they don't see any sign of you moving on. This may lead to negative thoughts and doubts about their importance to you. No contact can also make them question their actions and their attractiveness. It can hit men with commitment issues the hardest, as they may enjoy their single life but worry about losing you if they want to settle down. Frustration and anger may arise from being ignored, but this usually gives way to remorse. Some guys may cope with the silent treatment by dating someone new or seeking a rebound. After a few weeks, they may start reaching out to you or showing signs that they miss you. This is a sign that the no contact rule is working. Eventually, they may realize their feelings and want to get back together.